Sharing my action research study, Thurman Code EDU 695, MAED Capstone. Dr. Jackie Cowger, November the 5th, 2015. The purpose of my action research study. The purpose of this study is to make a determination of the various causes of student misbehavior so that I and other educators can devise an effective individual intervention plan for each student. My plan for intervention involves students that display disrespect and unacceptable behavior in and out of the classroom. Unacceptable behavior. Action research. Planning, identifying, informing, organizing, action, trailing, collecting, questioning, observing, analyzing, reporting, sharing, reflecting, evaluating, implementing, revisiting. Research questions. Number 1, what are the causes of this population of students' misbehavior? This question is answered during the post-data collection efforts while interviewing students, which has revealed that there are a number of circumstances that contribute to the misbehavior of these students. Does student have pre-existing conditions? This question is answerable because if the student has a pre-existing condition or disorder that contributes to them acting out, this question can be answered by viewing the student's school records to see if there is any pre-existing condition documented. Number 3, what is students' pre-existing knowledge? This question seeks to find out if students misbehaving because of their inability to do grade level work. This question can be answered by viewing students' assessment test scores or by viewing any other existing database information. The what so question. Outcome results. The so what of this study. For students with issues of obeying classroom rules and respecting the teacher, the intervention for this problem was to ask teachers to try modeling the type of behavior that they expect of the children. Teachers have been advised to make adjustments to their classroom management procedures to accommodate students that have documented conditions such as ADHD or other learning disorders that require lesson plan modification or a particular method of handling an individual student. Students diagnosed with conditions such as ADHD that may contribute to unacceptable behavior. The intervention that is recommended for this condition is to assign students with tasks that will offset the undesirable behavior. Teacher finds this to be very helpful and keeps students engaged. The suggested intervention for children with learning difficulties is to use differentiated learning techniques, modifying lesson plans and providing necessary assistive resources to aid in learning will help students become more confident in their ability to be successful. Modification or adjustment I would make and why. The only adjustment that I would make to the intervention plan would be to get other teachers to do a plan of their own. I believe the more educators that we get involved in action research, the better they will understand the children. I would also give parents a more proactive role because we need what we do at school to be reinforced at home. This plan is important for my school. This study is important to my school and the students. This study is important to the school and the students because the school needs for all of its students to be prepared for the global market. Students not only need to be prepared academically, but also need to know how to conduct themselves in the professional setting as well. Educators are instruments of innovation. It is important for teachers, educational practitioners to become researchers of their own practice. It is important for teachers and educational practitioners to become researchers to improve their own personal skills and techniques. I believe everyone that is involved in education should examine their own expertise and look for strategies to make improvement. Action research seeks to improve the quality of an organization and its performance. It typically is designed and conducted by practitioners who analyze the data to improve their own practice. References. The end.